Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. We're featuring the 1843 8 Maravedis from Spain. This is a minor denomination coin from the final years of Spain's ancient Maravedi currency system. It was minted during the early reign of Queen Isabella II, a time of which civil wars and economic instability. This coin represents one of the last attempts to use the old system before Spain decimalized its currency and introduced the peseta in 1868. In 1843, the year 1843 was a pivotal one. It was the year Queen Isabella II was declared of age to rule at just 13 years old, ending a turbulent regency period. Spain was deeply divided between liberals, conservatives, absolutists, and the Carlists, or the supporters of her uncle Don Carlos. It leads to the series of civil wars known as the Carlist War. The economy was in shambles, and the government was bankrupt, and the monetary system was incredibly complex and outdated. The Marabedi was one of the most oldest monetary units in the European history, dating back to the 11th century. However, by the 19th century, it was no longer a physical coin you would use, but an accounting unit. The basic Spanish coin of the era was the real, and the relationship was 1 real is equal to 34 maravedis. So the 8 maravedis coin was a very small fraction of the real, and it was a coin for the poorest everyday transaction. This coin wasn't meant for international trade or large purchases. It was a provisional coin for mass circulation among the common people. Its purpose was to facilitate small daily commerce, and in a period where the state lacked the resources to produce vast quantities of high quality silver or gold coins. These small coins are made of copper and were known as calderilla or small change. They were very crucial for the functioning of the local economy, even if their intrinsic metal value was very low. As you can see, the designs, the obverse side is featuring the bust of the young Queen Isabella II facing the right, and the legends surrounding it in Spanish that says Isabella by the grace of God and the Constitution. And you can see the year below, 1843. And on the left, on the right, is an 8 and an M that signifies the value of 8 maravedis. And on the reverse side of the coin, we can see the coat of arms of Spain and the lettering surrounding it in Spanish that translates to the Queen of Spain. In 1843, the 8 maravedis coin was just a part of the last series of coins to use the maravedi denomination. Just 25 years later, in 1868, a massive monetary reform swept away the old and complex system of the reales and maravedis, in which Spain introduced the peseta in its new national currency based on the simple decimal system of 1 peseta is equivalent to 100 centimos. This change was meant to modernize the Spanish economy and align with its European neighbors, most of whom, like France with the francs, has also decimalized. Now, for collectors, It is very common because it was a low value coin minted for high circulation, and many survived. This is one of the most common 19th century Spanish coins found today. Its true value lies on its history. It is an affordable and tangible piece of Spain's transition from an old world monarchy to a modern nation state. And this 1843 8 Maravedis coin is the story of a young queen, a fractured nation, and the last gasp of a medieval currency system trying to survive in a modern industrial age. It's a small humble coin that speaks volume about a critical moment in Spanish history. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.